This is a small part of a bigger tutorial I created, and basically I show how to fix the CSS if the CSS doesn't update. So now when you go into the site editor, it should look blue or purple. What the heck? Blue violet. It's weird. Okay, I think this is like the old cache. So to update the cache, like let's say this is a change I made a while back, so maybe that's why it's doing this. Control-Shift-R can fix it, and that will just reload it. Control-F5 can reload it. And also if you go into the inspect tool, here's another way to force it to empty the cache and hard reload. So if you make changes and they don't show up, it's usually a caching problem. So it can be fixed with those methods. And sometimes it just takes time. Like if you wait 5 minutes, sometimes it'll just fix itself. Okay, so but now the changes show up in both on the website and in the site editor.